This was the scene at the Justice for Our Stolen Children camp last month. On June 18th, 6 people were arrested when Regina police came to close the camp. No charges were laid. The camp is now asking for the court to rule these arrests were illegal. It's challenging whether the arrests were constitutional or not.
We say these people have a right to be here and to express themselves. And we say that right is more important than the government's interest in a green lawn.
The camp's legal counsel argues protesters are here to express concerns about the treatment of young Indigenous people. They say it means they ought to be protected under the Charter of Canadian Rights and Freedoms. Protesters want to hear that from the courts in the hopes of preventing future evictions.
In our application, we don't make claim for damages or monetary compensation in any sort. The campers are not seeking to get money. They are seeking to have their rights upheld and their voices heard.
As for the future of the camp, protesters say they aren't going anywhere. As of today, 14 teepees stand on the site. The camp wants a second meeting with the provincial government. No one in government has indicated that will happen. Protesters also have to decide their next steps. Last Friday, they heard back from the government after sitting down with ministers earlier this month. The camp presented a list of requests, including changes to the child welfare system. An organizer says instead of listening to them, the government is sticking with the status quo.
It's extreme disappointment. I mean, these are issues that we're dealing with every day. We have 2 to 3 new families coming here every day, seeking support, seeking reunification with their families, and their stories are being denied. Their truths are being denied. The response by government indicated that they're already doing everything and they don't need to change what they're doing. And the stories that are coming in here indicate the exact opposite.
The provincial government didn't provide comment about the application. It says it will continue to work with Indigenous leaders to address the concerns raised by protesters. A hearing date has been set for August 23rd. Stephanie Taylor, CBC News, Regina.